Good news for an area of Southwest Virginia where residents have been without running water for 2 years. State and local leaders have secured close to $1 million in funding to run water lines to people in the Black Gum Lane area of Scott County. Right now they're forced to bring in their own water from outside sources. People who live there used to get their water from wells, but those wells collapsed. We spoke with one of those impacted residents today.
It doesn't really matter where you live, you have to have water. Everybody needs water. And we're so blessed and thankful, that all these people have come together, especially the way times are now. And the financing and everything, we're really thankful to have water.
This water project is expected to take several months to complete.